Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the data linkable. Ensure relationships and unique keys exist so filters flow correctly. Once done, enable the bookmarks pane and selection pane. These give you control over view states. Make sure sync slicers is visible so you can link filter controls across pages. Create the visuals you want to navigate from, then set default slicer and filter states. This first action setup prevents broken links and makes the next steps, creating targets and navigation, stable and predictable. Now you build the actual targets. For each destination page, configure visuals and filters exactly as you want users to land on them. Use the bookmarks pane to capture that page state. Pick the proper scope, data, display, current page, so the bookmark restores filters or only layout as intended. Name each bookmark clearly, then organize related bookmarks into a folder. This structure makes it simple to reference a specific view from buttons or images on other pages without unexpected filter changes. Finish by adding navigation controls. Insert a button or image, enable action and set type to bookmark, selecting the exact bookmark target. If you need persistent filtering, use sync slicers across pages before linking. That ensures a unified filter state. Test navigation fully, clicking through different entry points and validating filters. If things fail, confirm each bookmark scope, ensure pages weren't renamed or deleted, and check report level filters, which can override bookmarks. Fixing those typically resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.